Good morning, students. According to your syllabus, today I am going to explain chapter 33, Be a Smart Child. Chapter 33, Be a Smart Child. Be a smart child. What do you mean by smart? How can you define smart? Smart means sensible way. If you are doing any work in the sensible way, means before doing any work you are thinking about. Before doing any work you are thinking about, means thinking about. Thinking about sensibly. It means smart. If you have a good sense before doing the work, you are thinking about, it means you are smart. So, be a smart child. It is the chapter title. What would you do in the following situations? Tick the correct option in each situation to be a smart child. If your father brings a new cycle for you, what you will do? First, you would immediately ride on it, or you would try to find out how it works. Only then will you ride it. So first is not correct. If your father brings a new cycle for you, so firstly you would try to find out how it works. After then you can use, means only then will you ride it. It is correct. Second option is correct. Second condition, if a stranger asks your address on the telephone when you are alone at home. Suppose you are alone at home. There with you no parents. What you can do? You would inquire about him and give your address, or you would put down the phone and immediately inform your parents. It is good way. Second way is good way. You would put down the phone and immediately inform your parents, because that person is unknown person. So if you are at home only lonely, so you don't give your address in that time, means you would inquire about him and give your address. No, this idea is wrong. You would put down the phone and immediately inform your parents. Next, if one of your friends gets hurt while playing in a park, what you will do? You would immediately inform an adult so that your friend might get proper medication. This situation you will follow, or you will run away from there and never inform anyone about it. Means you will run away. No, it is not good. You would immediately inform an adult, means like that your uncle type person, your parents type person, you can inform the adult person. After that your friend maybe gets the proper medication, and due to it may be safety way. After that, next condition, if you find smoke coming out your neighbor's house, which step can you follow? You would immediately rush to your neighbor's house, or you would inform an adult and dial the emergency fire brigade number for help. So if you see smoke coming out from your neighbor's house, so you would inform an adult and dial the emergency fire brigade number for help. It is correct option. Next, if you see stranger trying to unlock a bike in the parking lot of your area, what you will do? That person is a stranger. He is unlocking the bike. What you will do? You would be frightened to see the sea. No, it is maybe, but you don't fright. You don't frighten to see the scene. You would immediately inform an adult. You can inform the adult person. It is correct. Means you can inform the adult person like that. Your parents, your uncle, your grandfather, like that person, you can inform. Last, if you are swimming in a pool with your friends, what you can do? You would swim in an area defined for your young swimmers only. Second, you would try to swim in an area defined for adult swimmers only. No. You can swim in that area that for defined for children only. If you are going to that area for the adults, where the adults are allowed only, so that may be dangerous, because so deep place may become, you can't swim there, so you may drown. In this way, you would swim, first option is correct, you would swim in an area defined for young swimmers only. So in this way, they are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conditions. You write in the copy 6 conditions and you tick the correct options in your copy. And you also learn the condition for the exam. So I hope today you will complete chapter 33, Be a Smart Child. Also, like that smart child, you will complete the work today at home. For today's class, thank you very much.